Hello dear guys, how are you everyone? Today I make a cute bird using number 226. At first I draw the number 20, then I draw another number 20, and now I draw a straight line very easily and draw number 0, then draw another line and now draw its feather. Connect the line. Now draw another curved line. Draw its beak. Now draw its eye. Dear guys, if you are new viewers in our channel, please do subscribe our channel and draw its tail with 2 lines. Our cute bird is ready, and draw another line. Guys, everyone do comment this video. You can also share this video with your friend. And what kind of picture do you like? Please do comment and share this video with your friend. And you can also send me super chat. Super thanks guys. Thank you so much. Take care everyone. Bye bye.